25 business phrasal verbs and expressions. Number 1. Close down. Close down means to shut or cease the operations of a business, organization, event, or establishment. Example: the firm has decided to close down its France branch. The restaurant had to close down due to financial difficulties. Number 2. Branch out. Branch out is an idiomatic expression that means to expand or diversify one's interests, activities, or efforts beyond their current focus or scope. Example: she decided to branch out and explore new career opportunities. The company plans to branch out into international markets. Number 3. Carry on. Carry on is often used to indicate that someone should continue with their current activity, task, project, or plan. It implies that there is no need to stop or change direction. Example: despite the unexpected challenges, the team managed to carry on with the project and meet the tight deadline. Number 4. Break into. Break into implies overcoming challenges or barriers in order to achieve a certain goal with effort. Example: he managed to break into the top ranks of the company through hard work and dedication. Number 5. Note down. In a business context, note down refers to the action of recording or writing down important information, ideas, discussions, or instructions for future reference. Example: he managed to break into the top ranks of the company through hard work and dedication. Number 6. Take off. In a business context, the phrase take off generally refers to a significant and rapid growth or success of a product, service, company, or industry. Example: the company's new marketing strategy helped their sales take off within just a few weeks. Number 7. Step down. In a business context, step down means to resign or leave a position of authority or leadership within the company. It's when someone in a higher position decides to give up their role and responsibilities. Example: the CEO announced his decision to step down from his position, citing the need for fresh leadership to drive the company's future growth. Number 8. Back up. In a business context, backup means creating copies of important data, documents, or information to ensure that it's safe and can be recovered in case of a problem or loss. Example: it's crucial to regularly back up your company's data to ensure the safety and accessibility of important information. Number 9. Weigh up. In a business context, weigh up means to carefully consider or evaluate different options, factors, or choices before making a decision. Example: before making a final decision, it's important to carefully weigh up the potential risks and rewards of this investment opportunity. Number 10. Come up. In a business context, Come up means that something happened or arise in a particularly moment. Example: I'm going to have to cancel our meeting, something's come up. Number 11. Set up. In a business context, set up means to create, arrange, or establish something new, such as start a new business, project, system, or process. Example: the group plans to set up an import business. Our company plans to set up a booth at the upcoming trade show to showcase our latest products. Number 12. Find out. In a business context, find out means discovering or obtaining information, facts, or details about a particular topic, situation, or issue to take appropriate business decision. Example: the team is conducting a thorough market analysis to find out the key trends driving consumer preferences in order to tailor our product strategy accordingly. Number 13. Call off. In a business context, call off means to cancel or postpone a planned event, activity, or order. Example: union leaders called off the strike at the last minute. Number 14. Call back. In a business context, call back means to return a phone call or get in touch with someone again after an initial conversation or contact. Example: after the initial presentation, the potential client requested a call back to further discuss the proposal's details. Number 15. Drop in. In a business context, drop in means visiting a place, like an office or a store, without a prior appointment or scheduled arrangement. Example: drop in whenever you want, we'll be at the office all day. Number 16. Lay off. In a business context, layoff means to terminate or dismiss employees from their jobs due to reasons like company restructuring, financial difficulties, or changes in demand. Example: the decision to lay off a portion of the workforce was made in response to the declining market demand for the company's products. Number 17. Put back. In a business context, put back usually means returning something to its original place or state, or it can also mean delaying or postponing something. Example: please remember to put back the documents you borrowed from the filing cabinet after you're done reviewing them. The meeting has been put back to next month. Number 18. Sort out. In a business context, sort out means to organize, fix, or resolve a situation, problem, or issue. Example: before the conference, we need to sort out the presentation materials and ensure everything is ready for the event. Number 19. Run out of. In a business context, run out of means to deplete or exhaust the supply of something, often referring to products, resources, or funds. It indicates that there is no more of that item available. Example: the store ran out of popular toys during the holiday season, disappointing many customers. Number 20. Take on. In a business context, take on means to assume responsibility for or accept a task, project, role, or challenge. Example: the company decided to take on a new marketing campaign to promote their latest product. Number 21. Bail out. In a business context, bailout means providing financial assistance or support to a company or project that is in trouble or facing financial difficulties. Example: a struggling airline received a government bailout to avoid bankruptcy during the economic crisis. Number 22. Go under. In a business context, go under means that a company or business is facing financial difficulties and is at risk of failing or going out of business. Example: the small bookstore couldn't compete with online retailers, and despite efforts to attract customers, it eventually went under. Number 23. Cut back. In a business context, cut back means to reduce or decrease something, often related to expenses, activities, or resources. Example: the company had to cut back on its marketing budget due to financial challenges. Number 24. Level off. In a business context, level off means that a certain trend or situation has stopped changing drastically and stopped rising or falling and become steady. Example: inflation has begun to level off. The sales growth is expected to level off in the next quarter. Number 25. Bottom out. In a business context, bottom out means to stop getting worse. Example: after several months of falling sales, the company's profits finally bottomed out, and they began to see a gradual increase in customer demand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos.